If your sink trap clogged, it's probably because the P-trap is packed with gunk and needs a good clean out, like right now. So here's the deal. First, grab a bucket and put it under the P-trap to catch any water that spills out when you loosen it. Next, use pliers or your hands to unscrew the slip nuts on each end of the trap. Don't be scared, it's usually just hand tightened. Once it's off, dump out whatever nasty stuff is inside, then give it a thorough rinse with hot water and some dish soap to break down grease and grime. If there's stubborn buildup, use a bottle brush or an old toothbrush to scrub the inside real good. Before putting it back, check the washers and seals for cracks or wear, because leaking traps are no fun. Reattach everything snug but don't over-tighten, or you might strip the threads. Finally, run water to check for leaks and make sure everything flows smoothly again. Doing this every few months can save you from bigger plumbing headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sink trap clogs is ignoring the warning signs until water starts backing up everywhere. Fix that by checking under your sink regularly for slow drains or weird smells. Another common issue is not tightening the trap properly after cleaning, which causes leaks under your sink. Just hand tighten until it's firm and test with a little water. Lastly, people often forget to replace worn-out washers and seals, which means even a clean P-trap can drip and cause damage. Swapping those out is cheap and easy, so don't skip it. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trustworthy local contractors a breeze for homeowners who want reliable help without the stress. Contractors also get a steady stream of job leads, so everyone wins when it comes to home improvements.